Huh? Oh, my mom won't mind. All right, see you there.
I need to find out where he's going.
Oh, hey!
Hey, Max.
Hey, how are you?
Good. You ready to look at the menu?
Yeah, let me see. This looks good.
Hey there, Max.
Huh? What are you doing here?
Oh, you know, I was just walking, but more importantly, who's this young lady? Oh, I'm Amy. I'm Max's. Don't tell me! You're Max's girlfriend! Oh my gosh, it's nice to meet you! Oh, son, I'm so proud of you! How long have you
Mom,
been
wait, calm
together?
down. Amy's just my friend. Sorry, Amy, my mom is so embarrassing.
Oh, it's okay. Your mom's funny. Let me buy you guys lunch.
Okay, fine.
Thank you. Oh, waitress.
Okay, Amy, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's start.
Oh, Max! Max! Isn't it cool? We're matching workout clothes.
What? Why would you want to do that?
To work out with you guys, duh! Move over, move over! Come on, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, no.
What is she doing?
Oh, I gotta think of something quick. Oh,
Let's go, I need more energy!
hey, Amy, we gotta go.
What do you mean, Max?
Don't you remember? We're actually going to the gym.
Oh, cool! Can I go with you?
Oh, sorry you can't, because Amy can only bring one guest.
Yeah. Sorry, Max's mom. Okay.
Sorry, Mom. Come on, Amy, let's go.
Yeah. Guess I'll work out alone. Max, did you do it? Huh? What is this mess? Max thinks he can skip his chores? Well, I'll show him.
Oh, look, the new episode of Crafty Hill's on.
Let's watch it. Max! Why didn't you do your chores?
What are you talking about, Mom? I vacuumed and watered the plants like you asked me.
Then how do you explain Mr. Teddy on the floor with all your dirty laundry?
Mom, put that away. I don't want Amy to see that.
No, you put him away, along with the whole mess in your room. It'll only take 10 minutes.
Okay, fine. I'll be right back, Amy.
Okay. Oh, that was too good. Wait, Max, don't go.
Oh, what is it, Mom?
You have to be careful.
Oh, I know.
Don't talk to strangers and go get a sweater. It's cold outside.
Don't worry, Mom. I'll be safe. And I have a sweater in the car.
Come back before dark.
Okay, Mom.
Max, wait.
What is it now, Mom?
You can't leave without saying goodbye first.
Okay, fine.
And a goodbye kiss. Mwah.
Mom, are you serious? I'm too old for this. Oh, you got your lipstick on me. Oh, no.
Oh, that must be your friend.
Oh, wait, Mom, wait.
Come in, Amy. Hi. Are you ready to go, Max? Huh? What's that on your face?
Oh, whatever. Let's just go.
Okay. Don't forget to call me when you get there.
Yeah.
Be safe. Here you go, guys. Enjoy your lunch. Ooh, it smells so good.
All right, let's eat.
Hold on, Max. Here, let me cut it for you.
I'm fine, Mom. It's just pizza.
Okay. Oh my gosh, Max, your mom makes the best pizza ever.
I know. I'm gonna get another slice.
Hold on, Max. Don't take another bite.
What is it, Mom?
Here.
What? Mom?
You have food all over your face. You need to have better manners if you're gonna invite a girl over. See, all there.
Okay, Mom. Amy, do you want to go play my new game?
Sure.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, Mom, this is my friend Amy.
Hi. Oh, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Have you guys been friends for a long time? We actually met this year in school. Oh my gosh. You have to see this.
Huh?
I have the cutest picture of Max. Look, he still sleeps with his teddy bear.
Huh? Mom, don't show her that.
Oh, look, and here's the one where he ate all the Valentine's Day chocolate. It's so funny. Yeah.
Oh, come on, Mom. Can you please stop showing those?
Wait, just one more. Look, this was Max in his Halloween costume last year. He looks so funny.
This is so embarrassing.
No, it's cute. Max, you ate all this candy.
Yeah, sorry, Mom.
That's enough! From now on, you'll only be eating healthy food.
But Mom.
No, you can't change my mind.
She took my candy. But she didn't take all of it. She doesn't know about my secret stash. I'm a genius.
Hey, Max, can you help me with... Max!
What is it, Mom?
What is the meaning of this?
What? They're empty. They're not mine. You took all my candy.
Oh, yeah? Then why is there chocolate all over your face?
Nice
try. You think you can trick me? Just wait till I tell your father about this.
No, Mom, wait. Huh?
Max, you know you're not supposed to play games until you finish your homework.
Come on, Mom. I just got home from school. Let me relax and I'll do it later.
No, you can play games once you finish your work.
Man. I can't focus on work right after school. Oh! I'll just play games on my laptop and then my mom will think I'm doing my homework. I'm a genius. Yes, new high score!
Huh? What's that, Max? Max, what did I tell you?
I'm doing my homework. Look, see? Here's my worksheet.
Are you serious? This is blank. Do you think I don't know when you're lying?
Sorry, Mom.
That's it. Give me your computer.
What? But I needed to finish my work.
Too bad. Just use your textbook.
What's in the textbook?
Wow, Max. I can't believe you have Legend of Crafty Hacks 4.
Yeah, let me show you this one level. It's so cool.
Excuse me, I just need to vacuum real quickly.
What?
Oh my gosh, I love Legend of Crafty Hacks. Wow, Max, your mom plays games?
I guess.
Oh, this is my favorite song in the whole game.
That's nice, Mom, but are you done cleaning? Because we want to play the game. Hey!
Oh, can I try a level? I want to see if I still know how to play. Oh, let her try. Whoa, did you see that, Max? She's really good. Oh, I need to get that hammer. Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.